Want to serve delicious, healthy homemade meals to your family? Well, you don't have to spend your evening hovering over the hob to make amazing, mouth-watering meals like these. That's because cooking is so smart and easy with CleverChef from Drew & Co. The intelligent, one-pot, all-in-one multi-cooker. With a touch of a button, CleverChef simplifies cooking and takes all the hassle and guesswork out of making delicious, home-cooked meals. What's the secret? CleverChef comes pre-programmed with 14 cooking functions to cook virtually anything. Just choose your function and CleverChef automatically sets the perfect time and temperature for almost any kind of cooking and all your favorite meals. Say goodbye to that rice cooker, steamer, slow cooker, and all those roasting pans. With one sleek, compact, countertop kitchen wonder, you can perfectly steam, sauté, roast. You can even slow cook delicious tender meats. There are also pre-programmed functions for healthy, flavorful fish, extraordinary soups, mouth-watering pasta dishes, and so much more. CleverChef also makes great breads, cakes, and desserts. And there's even a DIY function, allowing you to easily adapt and cook your own favorite recipes. And the taste you'll get? Out of this world. There's no hassle, because CleverChef's easy-to-use pre-programmed functions ensure every meal is cooked beautifully by automatically setting the ideal temperature and cooking time, while the ingenious Flavor Lock technology keeps all your food's natural flavors and seasoning locked in the pot by precisely regulating steam release throughout the cooking process. All that means everything you cook is infused with remarkable taste and tenderness every time. Spend less time in the kitchen. With CleverChef, it's easy to treat yourself and your family to delicious everyday meals at the touch of a button. Just set it and forget it.